Hello again. So today I'm going to do a short video on the DJI Mini 2 two-way charging hub. I've been asked a lot of questions, does this charge all the batteries at once? Now I really wish DJI over the years would have implemented this, as it would come in real handy in the field, but it's just not the case. What this charging hub is going to do is charge each battery in sequence order. And just for instance, if this battery's got 76% in and this one's got 40% in, then this two-way charging hub is going to charge the highest percentage first, at the 76%. So to charge them, you just basically put them all in, and you'll see some LEDs flash up there. So if you was now to charge this, it's going to find the one with the highest percentage in first, and then charge that first, and then when that's fully charged, it's going to move to the next one which has got the highest percentage in. So then it's going to charge in sequence order until they're all full. And then when they're all fully charged, you can use this as a power bank. So you just basically put your USB in there, and then it's going to trickle charge out. You can charge your phones, your iPads, and anything else. What I'd really like from DJI, and I do believe they can do it as they've been making things like this for many years now, is some kind of device to charge them all at once. And they'd sell like hotcakes, because believe me, when you're wanting to charge these and you're waiting for each one to charge, even if they're around 40%, which mine always are, you're still looking around an hour. So there's at least 3 hours you've got to wait here. And if you're getting these down to say 10-15%, then you're going to be looking a lot longer. You're going to be looking at least an hour and 40 for each one. And what's great about this charging hub, you can not only use it as a power bank, but you can charge these from a power bank when you're in the field. I don't really recommend charging this with a power bank, but if you're out in the field and you're nowhere near a power supply, then it's okay to do now and again. And something you should never do is fully charge these, lock them all in position like this, put this in your bag and then go out all day. And then to use this several hours later, you may get some charge which has trickled out of these. You're okay if it's just for an hour or so, but I wouldn't recommend it. So when all batteries are in place and you want to check the power levels, there's just a power button there. You press that once, indicating what the battery levels are at. So there's two-way charging hubs for the Mavic Mini 2, but it was same for the Mavic Mini 1 and the Mavic Mini 3 and 4. They're just designed a little bit different, because the Mavic Mini 3 and 4 are different batteries, so that's obviously a different case, but it's the same principle. Right, that about wraps it up for today. So if you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Bye for now.